about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. Here is some nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and ratings on this online that how you can help your stay for your stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and reviews, etc. Category 2. Category 3. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is outstanding. Four categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Some deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check link in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share